Hi, hello students. Here I will show you 4 MCQ questions from CM Impact Guide. The same from all course. You see, here our first question, 38 question number. The system of equations a1x b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0 has an infinite number of solution. You know the condition actually for two pair of equations, linear equations in two variable a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. The condition is that if you get the coefficients of a1 by a2, ratio of these two equations a1 by a2 n is equal to, that is not equal to b1 by b2. If you get these conditions, then say suppose if you get these conditions and not equal, then this will have here, that means a unique solution. You will get one solution, that means you will get a unique solution. Just remember this point. And another conditions, number 2, if you get, suppose if you get a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, r is equal to not equal to c1 by c2, then these conditions, if it satisfied for these two equations, linear equations in two variables, then you will get no solution. Yeah, the system of equations will have no solution. Do you remember that? And another one, the third conditions, the third condition is that here, that means if suppose if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, that means all the ratios are equal, a1 by a2, b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. In that case you will get infinite number of solution, infinite number of solutions you will get. So algebraically you have to remember these 3 points so that you can answer for any questions. Clear? Now you see here they ask to get an infinite number of solutions, what conditions should be satisfied. You have seen third condition, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2 for this two pair of equations. So there are option number C will be the answer. Now 39, the system of equations, same equations, a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0 has a unique solution. So first condition is satisfied. Number 1, a1 by a2 n is equal to b1 by a2. So this condition is there in option number A. So that means this number is satisfied. So option number A will be your answer. Now our question number 40, the system of equations same, a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0 has no solution. No solution, that means the second condition satisfied. So a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. That means option number B, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. This is the option. Clear? Now for 49, 41 onwards you will have AP. Okay. Now for AP you need to know some things. Just I am explaining little bit. Just to wait. Here you see for AP you have to know what is A, what is D, what is AN. I'm just explaining this. You just try to know that. Now, so here in an AP means arithmetic progression. You know that. And D means here common difference. There D given 2 and N means here the number of terms. AN is equal to nth term. Now in AP you have seen arithmetic progression. Nth term of an AP we write it as A plus N minus 1 into D. This is the nth term formula. Or sometimes in book it is written Tn is equal to T plus N minus 1 into D. So what is A here? Your first term of the AP. Clear? What is D here? Your common difference. Clear? Your common difference. Just try to know that. Common difference. And what is N here? Your number of terms. Clear? Number of terms. So these things you have to know. And what is N here? Nth term. We write this is nth term. Clear? Nth term. So these things you have to know. Now AP means what? Arithmetic progression. There is all the general form we write first term A, second term A plus D, third term we write A plus 2D. Clear? Fourth term A plus 3D. That means all the terms are increasing by, DDD. So suppose this is A, first term, and this is increasing. The second term, say suppose A2 is increasing by D. Now A3 is your A plus 2D. Now A4 is what? A4 is what? A plus 3D. So if we apply this formula, you can see DD A4 here and D is one less. So that way easily you can remember. Up to nth term is this one. Clear? Now our question is that you have to find what? A, first term. So in this expression you see, you have to find this. Nth term given, n is given, d is also given. So substitute this formula. So an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So nth term they have given 13 is equal to a, you don't know, n you know, n is 4. Here you see n is 4 and minus 1 into d. D is given, you see, d is given 2. So it's 2. Now you see 13 is equal to a, 4 minus 1, 3, 3 to the 6, so, plus 6. Now bring this 6 here, so you get 13 minus 6 is equal to a. Clear? So here you are getting 13 minus 6 is 7. So 7 is equal to a, and a is what? Actually your first term. Clear? So we can say that our first term of this AP will be your 7. That is option number B. Clear? So in the next video I'll show you few more AP questions, but before that I'll give you some formula and I'll discuss that. So all of you have finished up these things, but just to recall you all these things, I'm writing the formulas once again in short form so that easily you can finish up this MCQ questions. Clear? So in the next video, see you all. Clear? Let me stop this much today.